Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Renu and Rakhi. दोनों R से. Thank you for joining in. And we are reading The Courage to be Disliked. And we are just towards the end. We are on page number 243. And the total number of book pages are 272. So, थोड़े बहुत pages. Right? Today we are going to read about the courage to be normal. In the last session, we read about two paths traveled by those wanting to be special beings. इसके अंदर जो author है, he was telling us about how people lie to be special, to feel special. People walk two kind of paths. One is that they try they what they do is they do some silly stuff. कि बच्चे जैसे स्कूल जाते हैं, किसी का पेंसिल इरेजर चुरा के लेके आ जाते हैं, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. व्हाई आर दे डूइंग इट? बिकॉज दे वांट टू फील स्पेशल अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. कि मम्मी इसी बहाने मुझको पूछेगी कि क्या हुआ, क्यों किया, कैसे किया. सो टू ग्रैब अटेंशन. हाउ पेरेंट्स व्हेन से नो टू आइसक्रीम नहीं लेके देंगे, नहीं लेके देंगे, बच्चा जमीन के ऊपर लेट के करना शुरू हो जाता है कि नहीं जी मुझको तो चाहिए, आई एम नॉट गोइंग होम, दिस एंड दैट. That is one, that is like a problem behavior kind of a thing. And this is referred to as pursuits of easy superiority in Adlerian psychology. दूसरा तो to gain attention we try to be extra good all the time. That is so we all know about, but this one was another way wherein he has given the example of kids. Now he is talking about the courage to be normal. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read it together. Youth says, but how? It would be impossible for all human beings to be specially good and anything like that, wouldn't it? No matter what, people have their strengths and weaknesses, and there will always be difference. There's only a handful of geniuses in the world, and not everyone is cut out to be an honors student. So, for all that losers, there is nothing for it besides being specially bad. तो मैंने दो बताया ना, दो लोग हैं, दो किस्म के लोग हैं, एक स्पेशली गुड, एक स्पेशली बैड. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट इज द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ दिस conversation. Philosopher says, yes, it's that Socratic paradox that no one desires evil, because to children who engage in problem behavior, even violent acts and theft are accomplishments of good. You. But that's horrible. That's a line of reasoning with no way out. Philosopher. What Adlerian psychology emphasizes at this juncture are the words the courage to be normal. You, the courage to be normal. Philosopher. Why is it necessary to be special? Preferably because one cannot accept one's normal self. And it is precisely for this reason that when being specially good becomes a lost cause, one makes a huge leap of being specially bad, the opposite extreme. But is being normal, being ordinary, really such a bad thing? It is nothing. Is it something inferior? Or, in truth, isn't everybody normal? It is necessary to think this through to its logical conclusion. Youth. So, are you saying that I should be normal? Philosopher says self-acceptance is the vital first step. If you are able to possess the courage to be normal, your way of looking at the world will change dramatically. Youth. But philosopher, you are probably rejecting normality because you equate being normal with being incapable. Being normal is not being incapable. One does not need to kya? We does not need to flaunt one's superiority. So this is true, right? हम लोग एक्चुअली में एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं कि वी कैन बी नॉर्मल एज वेल. वी फाइंड एक्चुअली हमको ऐसा लगता है अगर कोई वेरी नॉर्मल है, सो हाउ यू वुड हैव रियलाइज्ड कि हमारे जब बच्चे होते हैं, कोई हमारे को मिलता है ना, उसको somebody asks हाउ आर योर किड्स एट स्टडीज, या तो हमारे बच्चे अगर बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होंगे तो हम बोलेंगे दे आर फैबुलस, और अगर फैबुलस नहीं होंगे तो वेयर डज इट गो, दे आर नॉट गुड एट स्टडीज. हम कभी ये नहीं कहते माय माय किड्स आर मीडियोकर, माय किड्स आर नॉर्मल. व्हाई? क्योंकि वी आर नॉट ओके विद बीइंग नॉर्मल. कहीं ना कहीं हमको वी वांट टू स्टैंड समवेयर, या तो बहुत अच्छे या तो बहुत गंदे. And this is something that we should actually reflect on, ki when will we start actually accepting ourselves the way we are and being okay with not succeeding great heights, being okay with just the way we are, being okay with normalcy. Rakhi, would you like to share something on this?
Amazing point that you have shared. Lot of people, including us, that we don't accept what is our being. We always want to please somebody and want to be uh, with them. Ki, like self acceptance is about like what you are and what you can do from wherever you are. वो होता ही नहीं है. So we always want to be somewhere else at all the given points. वो हमारा ये होता है कि लाइक हमें डर लगता है कि लाइक ये चीज अगर हम एक्सेप्ट करेंगे ना तो हमारी तो खत्म हो गई. या ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है
So,
मुझे.
so true, so true. I mean, we feel belittled by accepting just the way
And
we are.
it is somewhere I feel it is the ego of
Mhm.
any person कि इन डिस्कशन कि उनको लगता है कि अगर if I accept myself as I am, then people think that I'm weak, I'm not good, I'm not smart. ये
Mhm.
चीज that self inferiority खुद का ईगो ही रहता है, वो कुछ नहीं रहता है. And
True.
people don't have that much time to judge on you.
एग्जैक्टली, एंड वी
Yeah.
हैव द, इसमें बुक में पहले भी कहीं पे एक बार बताया हुआ है कि वी कीप ऑन थिंकिंग कि मैं आई वांट टू बी दिस दैट, है ना. बट द रियलिटी इज नोबडी इज एक्चुअली वाचिंग यू. भाई लोग क्या
Hmm.
कहेंगे, भाई लोग क्या कहेंगे, मैंने स्टम्बल कर दिया, मैंने फंबल कर दिया, तो लोग क्या कहेंगे. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट एवरीबडी इज बिजी इन देयर ओन हेड थिंकिंग कि मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ ना.
So very true that this point gives me an another point to put it here. Ki always we think that we are living for the four people. चार लोग क्या कहते हैं. We are always in that mind frame कि तुमको जैसे रहना है रह लो. वो चीज हम कभी गौर ही नहीं करते हैं. We always live for others, and in the end we don't reflect why we are like that. तो सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस और सेल्फ लव और सेल्फ केयर जब करने लगेंगे, देन यू विल हैव द करेज, एज द बुक टाइटल सेज दैट
यस.
यू हैव द करेज टू बी डिसलाइक्ड. इवन इफ दे डोंट लाइक मी, इट्स ओके.
इट्स
वो तभी
ओके.
आएगा.
और
हम्म.
रियलिटी भी यही है ना कि अगर मैं अपनी पेंसिल को ऐसे पकड़ती हूँ और कोई ऐसे करके लिखता है, एवरीबडी विल हैव सम
He
काइंड
is
ऑफ
unique.
पर्सपेक्टिव.
And one more thing, nobody watches you, what you are doing, and what you are saying, unless it is required for them.
यस,
What
एब्सोल्युटली.
is the problem you are solving for me? If you are not solving my problem, then I don't care. Whatever you want to do, you can do. You are free to do. So
एंड
this
सब
one,
एंड
yes,
सब लोग एक दूसरे की प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली में.
yes. No, usually when in any circle, they are just having that particular notion कि इसमें what is in it for me? मैं इसमें से क्या ले सकती हूँ? अगर मुझे कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है, अरे तुम बोलो ना बोलो, इट्स ओके.
हाँ,
हाँ, so they are not judging you, but you are judging yourself.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू.
So yeah.
ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो अहेड. तो यूथ बोल रहा था, बट द फिलोसफर सेज यू आर प्रोबेबली रिजेक्टिंग नॉर्मेलिटी बिकॉज यू इक्वेट बीइंग नॉर्मल बाय बीइंग इनकैपेबल. Being normal is not being incapable. One does not need to flaunt one's superiority. Youth. Fine. I acknowledge the danger of aiming to be special. But does one really need to make the deliberate choice to be normal? If I pass my time in this world in an utterly humdrum way, if I lead a pointless life without leaving any record or memory of my existence whatsoever, am I to just be satisfied with my lots? Because that's the sort of human being I am? You have got to be joking. I would abandon such life in a second. Philosopher. You want to be special, no matter what? So, what is your take on this? Uh, uh, would you, जैसे जो ये यूथ बोल रहा है कि हमारी एग्जिस्टेंस में हम कुछ भी पीछे छोड़ के ना जाए, मेमोरी ना छोड़ के जाए, कुछ ना छोड़ के जाए, इज दैट द वे वी शुड बी लिविंग?
See, मुझे यहाँ पे लगता है कि वी आर बीइंग कंडीशन दैट इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग देन यू आर लेजी, यू आर नॉट वर्थ इट. This is the deep rooted problem every human being faces when they cross 30. जब 30 के बाद life hit hard, at that time you will start feeling you are insufficient as per the
सोसाइटल
conditioning of the
कंडीशन.
society. अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो इसका मतलब आप बेकार हो, आपके अंदर कुछ हुनर है ही नहीं है. And then to be normal, it requires a special effort wherein the effort is required to be somebody else who you are not. And उसको वही कंफ्यूजन है. अगर मैं नॉर्मल जिंदगी रह के मर जाऊं तो मेरा क्या है, लाइक मेरा पर्पस क्या है, एग्जिस्टेंस क्या है.
मैं तो ये
दैट
कह
इज
रही
द.
हूँ, मैं तो
हाँ.
ये कह रही हूँ, मेरा आई एम थिंकिंग इन द वे, यार
हाँ.
कई लोग आए और कई लोग मर भी गए.
हाँ.
डू वी रिमेम्बर ऑल ऑफ देम?
नो.
So how does it matter? Even if we leave a book, even if we leave a legacy here, कितनी generations तक याद रहेगी?
करेक्ट.
मतलब मेरे बच्चे, मेरे बच्चों के बच्चे, मेरे बच्चों के बच्चे शायद जानते होंगे कि हाँ एक कोई थी, उसने कोई बुक लिख दी थी, और
हम्म.
उसके आगे वाले तो वो शायद कौन थी भी नहीं जानते होंगे. And
See,
what is
there
the
is
stress
very
about?
deep thing if you take on the philosopher side, right? So, if you take the soul's journey, every soul comes here to attain their वो क्या बोलते हैं उनका जो कर्मा जो रहता है, लाइक दे हैव अ पर्पस टू लिव. उनका
Yes.
वो पर्पस खत्म होते ही दैट दे विल गो फ्रॉम दिस अर्थ प्लेन. तो यहाँ पे ना कि every soul who takes birth doesn't have that kind of burning desire or burning this thing to make changes. People, there are people like us also, like who wants to make a difference, who are trying to do it. अगर हुआ तो लाइक यू आर अटेनिंग अ सर्टेन स्टेज, अगर नहीं हुआ तो इसमें गलती कुछ नहीं है. बट देन दैट इज नॉट योर सोल्स पर्पस, सोल पर्पस ऑफ योर सोल. पर्पस आपका अगर फुलफिल हो गया तो आपका नाम बनेगा काम बनेगा वो सभी होगा. एंड इफ इट इज नॉट देयर इन दिस
हाँ,
बर्थ देन
हाँ,
आएंगे चले जाएंगे. दैट
सही
इज
बात.
द नॉर्म. हाँ. And it happens with people who are just like that. I have seen in this journey after coming here, I have seen if the soul doesn't have a purpose, they feel ये सभी बेकार है. Why are you taking this personal development courses? लेते हैं क्या? छी
हाँ.
छी 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 ऐसे करते हैं. Means like you don't need courses, you don't need books to live life.
हाँ.
तो उनका वो अवेकन हुआ ही नहीं रहता है. The person who is very much troubled inside with no answers, he is the one who is seeking answers. Who is seeking answer, उनका जर्नी लंबा होता है and then they will shine also.
True. Chalo, let's see what does the philosopher share with us. Philosopher says you want to be special no matter what. Youth says no. Look, accepting what you call normal would lead to me having to what? Wait a minute, let me check. Mm, normal would lead to me having to affirm my idle self. It would just be saying, this is all I am capable of, and that's fine. I refuse to accept such an idle way of life. Do you think that Napoleon or Alexander the Great or Einstein or Martin Luther King accepted normal? And how about Socrates and Plato? Not a chance. More than likely, they all lived their lives while carrying the torch of a great ideal or objective. Another Napoleon could never emerge with your line of reasoning. You are trying to rid the world of geniuses. Hmm.
We just discussed this.
And the philosopher is like, again, he's like, so what you are saying is that one need lofty goals in life.
Yeah.
And you
This
just,
यहाँ पे तो लगता है कि youth is saying that he wants to live somebody else's value system. खुद
huh?
का तो नहीं है उसको. क्या करना है पता नहीं है. But he wants to live somebody else's value system so
Hmm.
that he feels his life is purposeful.
Yes,
That is the wrong basic way that we have been learning. अच्छा
yes.
लग रहा है बोलो.
And and this the philosopher says, so what you are saying is that one needs a lofty goal in life. You says, but that's obvious. है ना,
That
हमारी
is we are
जिंदगी में हम भी
conditioned ना. Childhood से हम वैसे कंडीशन होकर आए हैं ना. If you
exactly.
are not doing anything, then you are waste. You should
Yes.
have goals.
Hmm. And actually, to be honest, चलो मेरी तो लाइफ में मैं आई वाज अ होम मेकर आई हैड नो गोल्स एट ऑल एंड सिंस आई केम इनटू द सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट जर्नी आई अंडरस्टूड अरे गोल्स तो होने चाहिए एंड देन अगेन टुकड़ो फाइव
एक यहाँ पे like there was one story that was made. A fisherman was lying on the side of the beach and he was enjoying his drink, mazafying and everything. 15 days he was going for fishing, and another 15 days he was taking rest. And there goes the businessman, and he talks about तुम कितना कर लेते हो, कितना कमा लेते हो, ये वो, and all that he calculates everything. And then he says that instead of you taking 15 days का वो gap लेने से, it is good whenever you are young you should be working more and you
हम्म
should be earning more. तो
हम्म
वो सुन सुन के वो जो मछुआरा रहता है वो पूछता है कि उसके बाद क्या, then you can enjoy the life. तो बोलता है मैं
मैं
वो
पहले
अभी
ही कर
कर
रहा
रहा
हूँ
हूँ. So we all are just like that, means कि
I know.
हम्म,
No, for my so my reason for starting to work was that was actually, just like you said a few minutes back कि 30 हिट करते ही हमारे को दिमाग में अरे आई एम तो वर्थलेस आई एम नॉट डन एनीथिंग इन माय लाइफ एंड आई एम लाइक हाय राम मैं तो दीवारें देखती हूँ एंड देन माय किड्स आर गेटिंग ओल्डर एंड आई एम लाइक now when they go off to different countries to study what am I going to do in this house will I see keep on seeing all the walls नहीं नहीं
I'll
let
tell
me
you
start doing
one thing, you should have a purpose in your life. It is not that सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए, ठीक है.
हाँ
बट इट विल स्टार्ट विथ एवरीबडी सेइंग दैट आई एम वर्थलेस, आई एम नॉट
हम्म
इनफ, मुझे कुछ
हम्म
आता ही नहीं है, मेरे
हम्म
रिसोर्सेस नहीं है. एंड देन वी फील वेरी सॉरी दैट वी आर इन दिस पैथेटिक सिचुएशन एंड
हाँ
दैट इज बीइंग टोल्ड बाय समबडी एल्स.
somebody would have triggered that and
हाँ.
then
एंड अगर इफ यू आर हैविंग अ पर्पस लाइक आई हैव माय पर्पस कि मुझे अभी इमीडिएट ऐसा मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए कि लाइक ओके आई गिव माय सोल टू राइपन, मीन्स लाइक मुझे जो भी फील करना है, जो भी मुझे सीखना है, ऑन द वे इफ somebody is coming I am helping one to one, but I am not going one to many and I am not burning myself from both कैंडल. वो जो रहता है बहुत आगे पीछे से बर्न होता है. आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. एंड आई हैव अ पर्पस कि अगर मेरी बेटी कहीं चली जाएगी आगे पढ़ने के लिए, सो एट दैट टाइम आई शुड हैव समथिंग टू वर्क ऑन.
yes
दैट टाइम दिस कम्युनिटी विल हेल्प.
hmm.
दैट इज माय रीजन फॉर डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो
Right.
इफ यू आर क्लियर देन इट इज गुड इनफ.
Hmm.
बट ये सोच सोच के कि लोग 1 करोड़ बना रहे, 10 करोड़ बना रहे, मैं कुछ भी नहीं बना रही हूँ, इट इज अ रॉन्ग गोल टू चेस.
Yes,
वी
absolutely.
शुड वर्क ऑन आवर बीइंग.
हाँ.
ये जो हमारे स्पिरिचुअलिटी में बोलते हैं ना, वेन एवर वी लीव दिस बॉडी वी जस्ट कैरी द
So,
संस्कार व्हाट एवर वी हैव डेवलप्ड. So whatever you have invested on yourself and you have learned the life skills and you have learned the good things in life, then your next life will be better after ABCD.
So true. रेनू को
Yeah.
इतना मजा आ रहा है, रेनू also decided to switch on her camera. मैं भी.
She finished dinner, I think.
Hmm.
Mm. Mm.
चलो, रेनू, do you want to share something or should I?
Just bulb on from Raki what she said. Ki everyone has their own journey.
Absolutely.
Don't compare at all because everyone has their own lessons to learn in this life. What we have, right? So don't compare, just follow what is going on in life, focus on that and evolve. Always evolve. That's it, I would
Keep
say.
working. So
Yes,
I
if you
feel.
have to be courageous,
Hmm.
you have to evolve. You have to make that happen for yourself.
I've also realized in this journey of becoming a coach that there will be few things that you will absolutely enjoy doing. It will not matter to you कि अभी कमरे में मेरे 5 लोग हैं कि 2 लोग हैं कि 1 ही लोग हैं, क्योंकि मे भी मैं अकेले ही कर रही हूँ सेशन, राइट? दैट इज अ कॉलिंग कि यार कुछ भी है. सो फॉर मी बुक रीडिंग क्लब इज लाइक दैट कि रात को 10 बजे अगर कोई भी नहीं आ रहा ना, आई विल रीड माई स्टफ, आई विल डू माई एक्सप्लेनेशन. हाँ, मुझको ये समझ में आ रहा है, आई गो ऑफ. इट्स लाइक
Amazing. The
इट्स.
moment I saw when I joined, you were the only one in the room exactly at 10 o'clock. मेरा तो I don't open WhatsApp during that time. बहुत सारे messages रहे तो I will forget to see which one to. But आज ना clear कर रही थी all the messages like I was reading. तो ये तो 100 में आ गया एक मैसेज, तो मैंने खोल के देखा, चलो ज्वाइन करते हैं. And then the first idea what I got is I can start book reading club for myself. एक ऑन करके तुम पढ़ते जाओ एंड देन वॉट एवर यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन इट, आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ता है एंड देन फियर ऑफ कैमरा खत्म होती है एंड देन यू विल गेट दैट एबिलिटी. अगर मैं ये हाफ एन आवर में अपने आप को बुक रीडिंग के लिए दूंगी एंड आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग, आई नो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट बेटर आफ्टर 30 days और 90 days और 100 days. मेरा पहले कैसा था रीडिंग एंड अभी कैसा है, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन अच्छा होता है, वर्ड्स अच्छे बनते हैं.
100%.
अमेजिंग, थैंक यू सो
वो
मच. मुझे वही, आई जस्ट गॉट दैट आइडिया कि आई कैन डू दिस. आई कैन स्टार्ट विथ वन बुक and I'll go on reading one chapter or two few pages, then I'll stop.
Absolutely. This is a
Yeah.
beautiful, so many people who come into the weekend club, वो
Hmm.
इसीलिए आते हैं because they have some hesitation in talking and speaking their
Hmm.
heart out. And
Hmm.
when they come and when they discuss, at least ये तो निकल जाता है ना, fear of talking, fear of presenting
Correct.
my own
Hmm.
views.
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
is a very,
This is a very good idea that you have made two clubs. One at 2 o'clock it runs, na?
yes.
One at 2 and one at 10, and weekend separate है.
हाँ.
हाँ. So this will help you that कितना 45 minutes रखते हो क्या one session?
जितनी देर में चैप्टर खत्म हो.
Okay, one chapter at a time.
Yes.
ठीक है. Nice.
चलो आगे चलते हैं, क्या बोल रहा है. अरे ये तो खत्म ही कर दिया इसने चैप्टर. Okay, you says, but that's obvious. The courage to be normal. What truly dreadful word. Are Adler and this philosopher really telling me to choose such a path? To go about my life as just another soul among the utterly ordinary faceless masses? I am no genius, of course. Maybe normal is the only choice I have. Maybe I will just have to accept my mediocre self and surrender to leading a mediocre everyday existence. But I will fight it. Whatever happens, I will oppose this man to the bitter end. We seem to be approaching the heart of this discussion. The young man's pulse was racing, and despite the wintry chill in the air, his clenched something fist shone with sweat. That is it. The chapter ends here, and tomorrow we will be treating about life is a series of movement. This is a very beautiful and a very beautiful interaction, I would say, in this book. And there is so much to learn from this book. एक बारी पढ़ के is not done with this book. It is at least a twice read. Um,
I
Anything
have
else to say?
want to share my thoughts here. Any book you read once, you will just barely skim the surface. You will just scratch it. And then when you read again, you will understand, you would want to take the points from that. And when you start implementing, that is when whatever you read becomes solidified, and then it will help you to it will come. When you keep reading and when you keep understanding and coming back to the same book, पहले जितना understanding हुआ था, next time it will be definitely greater than
Absolutely.
that.
So true. Very true. So well said.
Hmm.
All right, Renu, would you like to share anything from this chapter? नहीं उसको नहीं करना है. Okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay not to share as well. Everything is
He
okay
doesn't want
these
to.
days, at least.
Yeah.
Today it's my wish being normal.
Hi, I love that.
Yes. And हमेशा बोलना जरूरी है क्या?
That's what I'm saying. It's okay to be not talking as well. It's okay to be
Yes.
muted. At least you're
Because
attending.
I'm hearing so good things from you. I want to absorb today, actually.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Ana absorb कर रही है ये साथ वाले से बातें.
And acceptance of वो जो मेरे में कीड़े हैं ना, वो she's राखीज वो कर रही है. 4 लोग क्या सोचते हैं. I was hearing everything, darling.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
got
I
that
was
from your
hearing. हाँ, I was hearing everything. जो मेरे बलवान था कि
Yes.
मुझे I have to be like that. I have to work like that. और always evolve. तो आज अच्छा मूड है. High energy. Tomorrow, I don't know.
See, आपसे शेयर मैंने फिर भी ले ही लिया. So thank you, ladies, for joining in. I wish to see you tomorrow as well. If you come,
Yes.
we will be reading Life is a Series of Moments. And take care of yourself and see you tomorrow at 10.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you
Yeah,
so
good night.
much.
Good
Love
night.
you. Bye.